Love is patient. Love is kind. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Love never fails.
I'm just smiling constantly.
This is an emotional day for me for a lot of reasons, so I appreciate you guys coming down here, bearing the heat. Love you guys. Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers.
For as long as I've known Monica, I've never not known that she was going to marry Vince. You are and always have been the love of her life. And I want to thank you for sharing your soulmate with me too.
A man shall leave his father and mother and be joined to his wife, and the two shall become one flesh. Therefore, what God has joined together, no human being must separate. I declare you husband and wife.
I am so happy. I can't even express in words how happy I am to be able to watch you two be with each other and grow in what is a unique love.
Monica, I will never deserve you. I am incredibly lucky to have you. You've been carrying my ass around for a long time now. I'm glad you're so tall and can support my weight. And I'm excited to continue our journey together.